This is the new engine, but we have already dismantled the new engine. Yeah, um, that's what we mean by we want to replace the crankshaft, camshaft, pistons, everything. So that's what we are doing. Higher low end torque, more horsepower, right? Hii ni ile sampa mpya, tutatumia sampu mzee. Kwa nini? Oh, lakini sasa kama ile ni 2.2 liter na hii ni 2.5. Oh, the literage of the oil is same. Same kabisa. Si ati ile inatumia oil mingi, inatumia oil kidogo. Harness. Hii ni ile 3.
Yes.
3 liter.
Yes. And vanos though. Sasa tunatoa vanos.
We are removing the vanos. What is the purpose of removing the vanos?
So that e-system tuko nayo, these are non-vanos ECU.
So that messed it up. They were using an unvanos ECU.
Yes, on our vanos.
Vanos ECU. That's why the miss.
Yes. Not even the miss.
What else?
The miss is something else.
Okay. The miss was that throttle that distribute the vacuum.
No, whatever we have here. This is a non-vanos wiring harness. Non-vanos ECU, but the engine
is vanos.
Yes,
The original engine was that put here was vanos. So what does that lead to?
That leads to malfunction of the. In fact, not malfunction. The vanos won't function at all.
Yeah. So how does that affect? How does that affect the car?
That affects the cars. You know how the vanos works.
Yes. So how does it
doesn't
affect?
Work.
So what does it? I want you to explain to us.
How do I explain that? One consumption,
Consumption.
And the retarding and advancing of the engine at low
Low RPMs. Yes,
low RPMs,
exactly.
and the high RPMs. You need that advancement of the camshaft. That will be affected.
Yeah.
It won't work at all.
So that's why we are doing away with the vanos.
Yes.
Yeah, we are.
And remember, the vanos setup normally comes with a limiter. So you know that.
Yes.
This does not have a limiter.
Yes. And we want to do away with the limiter because we want to make it a drift car and also increase the power.
Yes, and achieve the
High revs. Yes. So guys, from the man himself, the teacher, the classic man. Yeah. So we are here with him doing this project together, and let's see how once we finalize everything, let's see how it goes.
See, clutch plate in the first place.
So near 4-cylinder, what do we need?
We need a bigger one.
Power loss.
Yes.
So as you can see, guys, this clutch is small. This is for a 4-cylinder.
The pressure plate as well.
Even the pressure plate is small, so it needs for an M20.
Yes, we need an M20.
Yeah, because this will not work with the power we want to achieve. Yeah, we are just talking about here with BMW Classics. What's the name? Jim.
Yeah.
The owner of the BMW Classic Club. The chairperson, rather, not the owner, but the chairperson. He can be killed if I say that. So, and we are discussing that in the trips, they were doing 260 speeds of 260 kilometers per hour. And the Mazda guys and all the guys, he's laughing, he has no words to say. So, yeah, we want to do crazy things.
Are you caring, Ama?
No, I'm just being considerate because I'm in
She's
business.
caring.
Acha niende nionyeshe.
Waambie tu kwanza wapause, wakule, si kuna fork. Malize mfanye documentary yenu.
Rudia waambie wafanye nini?
Documentary yao.
Chakula ndio hiyo wameangalia hapo, hataki kuja kula.
They eat first. After eating, they do their documentaries, whatever series. Because for me, I'm here to ensure that they're okay. They eat well, they deliver.
Yeah, so guys, it is about 11:30 in the night and still on the BMW project. We just had dinner and we're back to the engine assembly.
So from where we left early in the day, we were removing the M50 engine from our E34. Na is upon conclusion tukaamua tunataka kuwekea M52 and we had to source an M52 from our relevant engineer who is used to building these classic BMWs. He has done this for the longest time. However much mtomona anakaa mtu mdogo, but is a very old person in this industry. So this is an M50 and unaweza shangaa mbona tumeipasuanisha hivi, na ni engine mzuri tumeleta, ilikuwa tu deep. What we're doing is we stroking this M52 from 2.5 liter to 3.0 liter. So tunachukua stroking kit ya M54 ndo tuiongezee hiyo torque tunataka, from torque ya 2.5 liter to torque ya 3.0.
Yes.
Yeah.
Kabaka himself. My name is Caesar. Wengine wananiita Kabaka. We've been doing this for the last 10 years.
That's interesting.
And from this we intend to achieve more torque at low RPMs. We want to raise that from the previous one had around 178 horsepower to around 220 horsepower.
That's a great
and
power.
if done properly, we may achieve 230 horsepower. There are those who can go to an extent of tuning, which means more horsepower as well. And what we've generally done, we've gotten internals from an M54 engine. That's a 3 liter. When I say internals, that means the pistons and the crankshaft plus the bearings. From a 3 liter M54 engine. You can get that from an X5, that's M54 3 liter, or an E39, or what else comes with an M54, even an E46. So once you tuck your internals and you do your overhaul properly, you will be able to achieve around 230 horsepower.
Finally tumesema ni assembly time. Assembly time. Engine ndio hiyo. Wadau hapa wamelala hapa wakifanya kazi. Unaona huyo? Na huyo hapa. Power ya ugali.
Kabisa.
Acha hiyo isonge, hiyo chuma isonge mbele.
Sasa gearbox iko the opposite side. Tutairotate. Tuko sawa, niongezee. Ongeza kidogo.
So we are here. We have already installed the engine. Yeah? We have mounted the engine. We have mounted the manifold already, and we're just finalizing with the wiring. As you can see, our master electrician doing the wiring here, and yeah, we just want to close everything up. We even brought the oil ready. We just brought the oil ready, so We want to crank this engine up, crank this baby up, and see how it goes. So this is our exhaust system. We have just fabricated this exhaust system, and initially, you see, I had to send the whole exhaust system to some other guys locally, and they really messed me up. We had to wasted a lot of our time, and then they said they're busy and they can't do it, so we had to pick our sample back, and we got this fabricated by Micron. Yeah, and this is the Ramus, as you can see. This is European, by the way, really good, and the tips look really awesome. I just can't wait to see how this exhaust will look once we have fitted it in the car.
Good boy. You've tried.
Kidogo ng'oe kidole yake.
You've already put 4, right?
Yes.
Yeah, so it takes up 6 liters.
6 liters.
So we are gonna add 2 more liters.
Hiyo ilikuwa juu.
Wazee, unamwaga nje bana.
Unajiongelea?
Mimi
Hauna maoni. Unajiongelelea?
Gari imeiva mzee.
Hatukuwa kwa gari.
Maoni gani?
Hebu pima kama 2 liters zishaingia ama tuongeze.
Hebu niambie maoni gani? Nyinyi mnanichanganya.
na watoto.
Kwanza fanya child support mpaka wale.
Iko wapi?
Acha tuweke hapa
Wanunua kwa garage.
kando ya project. Usiingize yote, jeka clip. Acha tuweke clip. Got ile
Kama
The throttle has a cooling system. Why does it have a cooling system? I'm asking you.
direct question to you.
You are our electrician and our supervisor. I want you to answer.
You are unable to answer that.
I'm not unable to answer that.
You are a water technician.
Huh? Yes. Where is Tariq? You ask Tariq. The question is, why does the throttle have a cooling system? So I asked who is it? What's his name? I asked Caesar. Caesar failed to answer.
I know they run water. What runs through the throttle?
Why? What is the benefit?
Wasn't ready, but okay. It tends to cool. Cool or to
That's both. Hii kitu unajua kwa nini inakuliwa? Ni juu ya hii. Hata mimi sina throttle sensor.
Yeah,
Hii
sounds
kitu.
partially right.
Hii. Yes. Lazima hii kuwe the right temperature ama ita misbehave. Unajua hivyo?
So, man, I know.
Umesikia? Tariq,
I was partially right.
how much do you need for
Partially
that?
right.
Mlikuwa mnatoa
I don't need any money for that since that's an education purpose for all of us.
As per my knowledge, this water, actually works in cold conditions. More so in cold conditions to prevent stickiness of.
sticking and all.
Yeah,
That's
that's my.
let me tell you.
That's my in very cold conditions. I feel that that's the reason why it's
Makes sense.
Yeah. So the reason why, so that's why in like our climates, in like Kenyan climates or something, you can just delete it. You can just remove, do away with it.
Yeah, it also
There's nothing. How many cars have you seen have this and they don't have the cooling system?
it's a BMW.
How many BMWs have you seen do that?
Two in a act up. Let me tell you, the M40 has one.
You see, the only purpose of water coming in here is to prevent this throttle flap. Ask. So who will get money? Ati number plate ilifungwa.
Let me show you. Alifunga upside down. Bibi anazaa hata alifunga upside down. Na tukashindwa baadaye alifunga tukashindwa kuifungua sijui.
Kawaya amefika wapi?
Nilikuwa nafikiri ni swag.
Hapana, swali wewe uko na tukiepa karao.
Guys, this is not even one kick, it is quarter kick.
on the first
Quarter kick.
instance.
And we are done.
And you are here late in the night. As you can see, boys are drinking tea.
This is tea.
Uh-huh.
Ni saa 4 na nusu. 10:30.
Kick it. So guys, as you can see, we are here, late at night, and builds are not cheap. Builds are damn expensive. They are really expensive affairs, and also on top of that, you see, builds require a lot of passion, a lot of hard work, a lot of. That's why we're here at night, because I mean, we have to finish, the normal work that we have, then focus on the builds at night. Yeah. So finally, we have managed to kickstart the engine. It's a quarter kick, by the way. I'm so happy, and there's a lot that still needs to be done. But at least now we know whatever we did is working perfectly. Even the rev counter, everything. There's no misfire, nothing. But we are still gonna fine tune that engine to make sure that it's a build and a half. Yeah. For instance, the intake manifold, we need to get a bigger intake manifold, and I've been looking for the intake manifold. Even the gearbox needs to be a bigger gearbox. So you see, guys, all that in builds is not something that you will bring a build to the garage and expect us to finish the build in, like, let's say, a week or two. There are some challenges that come with builds, yeah, especially if your car is classic or if it's an old car. Builds do take a lot of time, yeah. And it also depends on what the client wants to achieve, because you would not do a build and just do the basic setup that the car came up with. You want to do something extraordinary, something wow, something out of this world. And because of that, we have to totally make sure that we get you the best out of everything. So yeah, finally we are all here. Tariq is also there. Tariq. So Tariq is also here, our workshop manager. Yeah.
Yeah, just trying to ace everything back together, and the car
Yeah.
is sounding lovely.
Yeah. So I'm telling them builds are not cheap, and
nice
they require a lot of time also,
A lot of time.
and a lot of money has gone into the build. Yeah, a lot of money, and we are still not stopping there, because
Oh yeah.
we being us, we want this build to be one of its kind, yeah, to prove it to you guys that yes, Precision is very well capable of doing such a build, and this car will be moving around with it everywhere, just to keep you guys, even interact. You can come, you can interact with us and enjoy. The garage life is all about fun and enjoyment, yeah, socializing and all that. And you can't do this job if you're not passionate about it. With cars and the headache they give you,
It's not easy.
it's not easy. You have to be passionate about it for you to achieve your dream, and you mainly do it for fun over the money involved, with it. Yeah. So keep tuned, stay tuned, and we will. This is the other episode for the series, and more episodes.
A lot more good things to come.
Yeah.